Hey YouTube, this is Faisha with Simply Lavish at Home, and it has been forever and a day since I've posted a YouTube video. So, to all my subscribers who used to look forward to those, I am so sorry. A lot has been going on. Me and mine have survived the pandemic, thank God. My heart goes out to those who may have lost someone or who have suffered or gotten sick. Look, my eyeshadow is smudged right there, but we are all doing fine. But even before that, I kind of fell off doing YouTube. Probably because one, lack of time, possibly lack of inspiration. And so it just kind of really just got put off. I'm sorry. That sucks. To all those who used to subscribe, and I really appreciate you. And hopefully you're watching this now, figuring out what has been going on with me. So, for everybody, 2022 has brought significant changes to everyone's life, and I am no exception. Um, Time has been going fast and slow at the same time. I don't know. It seemed like just the other day it was 2019, but it seemed like 2020 lasted forever. I don't know, but here we are at the end of 2021, and hopefully on to greater things. Everyone's doing well and moving forward in life and manifesting what it is that they want. But part of 2022 was that I have had the opportunity to have my own TV show. Yeah. So a lot of time and energy have been going to that. I found out that there was this all black owned television network that was starting. It was in digital platforms at the time, just your Roku TV, and it's called Taste on TV. So if you follow me on any other social media like Instagram or Facebook, you've probably seen me post about Taste on TV. So I have my own show. So going into 2022, I am in my second season of my show called Lifestyling It. Before it was called Simply Lavish at Home, just because that was the name of my business and the name of the YouTube channel. But I was just hoping to take it in a different direction. So lifestyling is mostly because I didn't do the same things that I was doing previously. Um, Pandemic changed us all. My way of life, things that were exciting don't seem quite as exciting anymore. Just like basic stuff seem so much more comfortable, and maybe that's because that's all we had to do last year. So the show right now is again lifestyling it, and it is in its second season. Um, and Taste on TV has since expanded. So where it started off just on Roku TV, is now available on Amazon Prime, Apple TV, and in the Google Play Store for mobile devices, and in the Apple App Store. So you can watch it on your TV, you can watch it on your phone, you can watch it anywhere. You can watch it on the Taste on TV website, which is tasteontv.com. So I'm going to put all of those links to everything I talked about today on in the description, I should say. It's been a minute since I've done this. I'm going to put links in the description as well as where you can follow me on social media to keep track. If you enjoyed the content on my channel, hopefully you enjoy the content on Lifestyling It. And it's not just me, there's all sorts of amazing talent on the network right now. A ton of extraordinary cooks. If you are interested in Black culture or you want to support a Black owned network, Taste on TV. Come give us a watch. Again, if you enjoy my content, hopefully you would enjoy what we're doing on the network. So I'll be putting up maybe previews of some of the episodes to come up on my YouTube channel. And hopefully that'll inspire you to go in and download those apps, get on your smart TV, download Taste on TV to go out of the Amazon, the Prime store, get it available there. You can watch it anytime. If you have Roku TV, the app is called Taste on TV. On your mobile devices, it's called Taste on TV to go. You can watch, see what I'm up to, see what all these other talented people of color are doing, and really enjoy some quality content. So leave your comments below if you have any questions. Did I miss filling you in on anything? Again, I'm doing well. Hopefully you're doing well if you're watching this. Anything that you would like to see from me on Taste on TV or pop in on YouTube, please let me know. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button so you can get all the updates on what's happening on my show. And until next time, cheers.